Good morning, all medicos. It is our second video on MCQs of General Microbiology. Subscribe our channel for more videos. Like our video. Let's begin. Question number 1. All of the following are example of indicator media except option A blood agar, option B eosin methylene blue, option C McConkey medium, option D Stewart media. The correct answer is D. Stewart media. Indicator media is also known as differential media, which distinguish one microorganism type from another on the same media. Examples of differential media include blood agar, eosin methylene blue, McConkey agar, mannitol salt agar, thioglycolate broth for strict anaerobes. Question number 2. Stain used in preparation of AFB smear. Option A Giesma stain, option B Lopler's stain, option C Zn stain, option D India ink stain. The correct answer is C Zn stain. Zn stain is used to distinguish acid fast bacteria and non-acid fast bacteria. AFB means acid fast bacillus. Question number 3. Which of the following test is an example of tube agglutination test? Option A blood grouping, option B Vibrio cholera serotyping, option C Paul Bunnell test, option D ANA. The correct answer is C Paul Bunnell test. Paul Bunnell test is used in the diagnosis of infectious mononucleosis, a condition caused by Epstein-Barr virus. Although blood grouping is a type agglutination reaction, but it is not tube agglutination reaction. So the correct answer is C. Paul Bunnell test is an example of tube agglutination test. Question number 4. In prokaryotes, which of the following is present? Option A nucleolus, option B ER endoplasmic reticulum, option C Golgi bodies, option D muramic acid. The correct answer is D muramic acid. All of the above options except muramic acid are membrane bound organelles which are absent in prokaryotes and only present in eukaryotes. Muramic is one of the important component of the peptidoglycan wall in the cell wall of prokaryotic cells. Question number 5. The process of destroying all microbes including spores is called option A disinfection, option B antisepsis, option C disinfestation, option D sterilization. The correct answer is D sterilization. The process of destroying all microbes including spores is called sterilization. Question number 6. Disinfectant kills the following. Option A all microorganisms, B pathogenic microorganisms, C viruses and fungi, D non-pathogenic microorganisms. The correct answer is B pathogenic microorganisms. Disinfectants kill pathogenic microorganisms. Question number 7. Asepsis means option A absence of pathogenic microbes, B disinfection of the surface, C prevention of infection, D destroying all forms of microorganisms. The correct answer is A. Asepsis means absence of pathogenic microbes. Asepsis is the state of being free from living pathogenic organisms. Question number 8. All are methods of sterilization except option A ionizing radiation, B ethylene oxide, C formaldehyde, D chlorhexidine. The correct answer is D chlorhexidine. Chlorhexidine is used in disinfection, not sterilization. Other three are methods of sterilization. Question number 9. The best skin disinfectant is option A alcohol, option B Saclon, C betadine, D phenol. The correct answer is C betadine. Betadine is less irritant and causes less staining. Betadine is also known as povidone iodine. Question number 10. Culture media are sterilized by option A autoclaving, option B beta radiation, C hot air oven, D none of these. The correct answer is A autoclaving. Culture media are commonly sterilized by autoclaving or membrane filtration, sometimes by tyndallization or heating. So the correct answer is autoclaving. is method for culture media sterilization. Question number 11. All methods of sterilization are using dry heat except option A flaming, B incineration, C hot air oven, D autoclaving. The correct answer is D autoclaving. Autoclaving uses moist heat. Other three methods uses dry heat. Question number 12. Hospital dressing is best disposed of by option A incineration, B dumping, C autoclaving, D burying. The correct answer is option A incineration. Incineration means burning. It is used for contaminated dressing, animal carcasses, sputum, rags and swabs, contaminated clothes, pathological materials. Question number 13. The best method of sterilization of dusting powder is option A autoclaving, B hot air oven, C inspication, D tyndallization. The correct answer is B hot air oven. Hot air oven is used for sterilization of glassware, salves, liquid paraffin, fat and grease, all glass syringe, dusting powder, forceps, scissors, scalpel, etc. So the dusting powder is sterilized by hot air oven. Question number 14. Autoclaving is done in option A dry air at 121 degree centigrade and 151 B pressure. Option B steam at 100 degree centigrade for 30 minutes. Option C steam at 121 degree centigrade for 15 minutes. Option D dry air at 160 degree centigrade for 30 minutes. The correct answer is C steam at 121 degree centigrade for 15 minutes. Autoclaving temperature and time, temperature in degree centigrade, time in minute. 121 degree centigrade 15 minutes, 126 degree centigrade 10 minutes, 134 degree centigrade 3 minutes. These are optimum temperature and time for autoclaving method. Question number 15. Operation theaters are sterilized by option A carbolic acid spraying, option B washing with soap and water, option C formaldehyde, option D ETO gas. The correct answer is C formaldehyde. Operation theaters are sterilized by formaldehyde. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe our channel, like our video and share it with your friends, your colleagues, and grow with us. These are very important questions and asked in previous exams like FMG, NEET PG, etc.